Welcome to this case study presentation by OMC Medical, where we walk you through real-world experiences in registering medical devices in Uzbekistan across Class 1, 2, and 3 categories, including X-ray machines. OMC Medical initiated the project by working with a manufacturer of surgical gloves, diagnostic kits, and cardiovascular stents. We act as the local AR. Document requirements vary with class. For Class 1 surgical gloves, we submitted standard conformity documents. The Class 2 diagnostic kit required detailed performance data. Class 3 cardiovascular stents needed in-depth clinical and post-market surveillance evidence. Class 1 devices are generally reviewed quickly. For Class 2 and 3, the ministry raised queries that OMC addressed by coordinating directly with manufacturers and local subject matter experts. OMC successfully secured certificates for all classes. While Class 1 was quick, Class 3 stents required close monitoring throughout the lengthy approval cycle. OMC also worked with a client manufacturing portable X-ray machines. These devices required additional approval from the Sanitary Epidemiological Authority. We handled local calibration and testing, leading to a successful registration. The key challenges we faced included unclear classification for diagnostic kits, slow legalization processes, and the lack of digital infrastructure for submissions. To overcome these obstacles, OMC directly engaged with the Ministry of Health for clarifications, used a legalization checklist to prevent rework, and had bilingual liaisons to maintain smooth communication. This is a consolidated view of the timeline from onboarding to certification, with added time for radiation-emitting devices like X-ray machines. The biggest takeaway? Each class demands a different approach. With OMC's tailored strategies and local presence, we ensured timely, successful registrations. Thank you for your time. If you're looking to register your medical device in Uzbekistan or anywhere globally, OMC Medical is here to help.